Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making beer battered onion rings. For the full recipe, please kindly stick around until the end of the video. Firstly, begin by chopping up your onions in half-inch slices. You can then add your chopped onions to cold water and soak them for 1 hour to remove the film. This is an optional step, but this step helps to for your onion rings to adhere to the batter better. Next, you can begin preparing your flour for your batter. In a large bowl, add flour. Next, you can add in your paprika and your chili powder. Then add in your garlic powder and your onion powder. Lastly, you can add in your salt and pepper, mix and set aside. Once your onions are done soaking, this is optional by the way, you can peel and remove the film from the onions. It is now time to toss your onion rings in flour. Add your onions to the flour, toss and shake off the excess flour. Once you've finished, place them on a pan or a rack and let them rest for a few minutes while you heat up your oil to fry. While your oil is heating to medium-high heat, it is now time to finish your batter. Add your water and your beer to the flour mixture and combine well. You want to make sure your mixture is not too watery or too thick. You want the perfect consistency to adhere to your onion rings. It is now time to fry your onion rings. Begin by frying 6 to 8 at a time and cook them in batches so you don't overcrowd the pan. Cook your onion rings for approximately 2.5 to 3 minutes and then drain on a paper towel or rack. As you can see here, I'm just about finishing up my onion rings and I'll be plating them. I am now serving mine up with some aioli on the side, but you can use ketchup or any other condiment that you would like to eat your onion rings with. This recipe will yield 8 to 10 servings. Here are the main ingredients you will need to make your very own onion rings at home. And there we have it, family. This is my homemade version of beer battered onion rings. Thanks so much for watching my video today. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe to join the family.